Hi, I am Sheval Choksi. I am the co-founder of YourSeller. We are a team of Amazon experts and we help sellers grow their business on Amazon and at the same time be profitable. So very early into our days of working in this area, we realized profitability to be one of the biggest pain points when conducting business on Amazon. I'll be very honest, even when we started working, we failed a lot of times for our clients in delivering, especially from this perspective. But then over a period of last 5 years, we have realized things and some solid learnings that can have a very big and a positive impact on your profitability when doing business on Amazon. And I think this is what has really helped us drive a lot of value and positive results for our clients in the last 5 years or so. In 2024, with advertising costs rising by as much as 30%, things around SEO, creatives, your A+ content, brand story, everything basically that you can do without directly spending money after doing it has a lot more importance, along with the obvious things around ads that you can do to optimize, remain economical, get your ACOS in control, TACOS in control, is always going to be important, and it is more important now than it has ever been before. So this channel and the content on this channel will always be about these type of areas where you can identify specific areas that can help you remain more profitable over a period of time, and we will be able to communicate that through our videos because we feel it is something that is deeply built into our DNA. So we offer free consultation as part of our service offering, and so if you feel you need help with anything within the Amazon ecosystem, just reach out to us by clicking on the link in the description and scheduling a meeting with us, and we'll be happy to have a conversation with you. If you find the content on this channel resourceful, relevant and useful, then please do subscribe and share our channel. Click the bell icon so that you are notified every time we drop a new video. And I hope this is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Happy selling on Amazon.